Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type iOS launcher. After that, download this app from this developer and open it. Now choose while using the app, click Allow and tap Home button. After that, you need to select iOS launcher and choose Always. Now click Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Samsung device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!